I've been asked this question many times, but you might not believe me even if I say so. Now, let me take you on a tour of our factory and production plants. Huepar's factory has a strict production system. We need to change our shoes when we enter the production workshop or wear shoe covers. This is to prevent the dusts outside from entering the production floor, because the diodes of the level are very easy to stick to the dust. So we have to eliminate this situation for better accuracy. As we can see, many workers are assembling the SO4CG machine. This is our instrument for testing and adjusting the accuracy. The products are tested and inspected several times to make sure that there are no quality problems before we pack the products. Then the products are shipped one after another to our warehouses in USA, Europe, Canada and Australia. Huepar will have a 2-year after-sales guarantee for all consumers who trust the Huepar brand. Huepar.com is the official website of Huepar, so you can choose the official website of your region to buy the products you need.